So the biggest enemy of a Bluetooth earphone is usually the signal interference, but if it works in Mongkok, it works in every single way in the earth. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Elizabeth from UK New Music and Happy Chinese New Year! In the Chinese culture, every time when you get to New Year, you need to get some new stuff. So this time, I'm going to share you my new toy. It's called McGee True Wireless Earbuds. Also, I would like to take the opportunity to say thanks to Gig Audio for giving me this earbud for free. Because as a female or a very active urban person, I just hate wired headphones so bad. Like, I don't even know where my Apple, original iPhone 7 headphone is. I don't even know where it is now. I've been using the Apple AirPod for quite a while because it's tiny, it fits my handbag, and that's it. Until I see this thing. So I would like to share my quick experience on using this. It's cheaper than the AirPod. So within this box, there is the charger box and the two earbuds. It looks like this, okay? I'm sure a lot of people have the same question as mine, like, what is McGee? Like, I have no clue what this brand is because I know Apple, obviously. I know Sennheiser, Blues, Neumann, brands that do proper microphones or headsets like AKG, but how about McGee? What the hell is that? This brand, I believe, is from Germany and has been working very hard on car audios. I think this is their first product on portable audio devices. They're using the Qualcomm latest chipset. So from what I know is Qualcomm is the brand that has been doing the circuit board, the little chip for Bluetooth headsets. So you know Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA that does the graphic cards. This one is for Bluetooth. And it supports Bluetooth 5.0. If you have a latest iPhone or Samsung, use Safety Go, the stability will be pretty good. Also a quick reminder, if you use really old style phone like some Sony old phones, and I think the brand Gig Audio, they have a firmware, like a software that helps you to get this baby compatible with your old phone. I don't know why, but you're using an old phone with a very high quality audio headphone. Yeah, I don't see why not. So to me, for devices that go outdoors or go along with my handbags, it has to fulfill two requirements. One, battery life. Two, lightweighted. As a female, as I said, I have handbags and usually I have to bring my viola around. You don't want something that is too heavy, and this thing is just that tiny. So it is slightly bigger than my AirPod, but it's just that slightly. The leather case is actually very nice, so for people who hate white and just doesn't like Apple in general, just doesn't want to spend money on Apple in general, this is a good way to go. Also, it comes with a leather case. So this leather case has a brand name as well, so you can fit this baby into the bag. I'm not sure why, because I personally don't find this very useful. And just in case you have keys around, you don't want to scratch your battery pod, it's still battery. Well, saying that, it's actually very light. I think it's lighter than an AirPod. Yeah, it is lighter than an AirPod. Yes, it is lighter than an AirPod. How many times do I have to say this? So according to the box, it says you have 2 hours of playtime and 50 hours of battery lifetime. So pretty much if you forget to charge your pod for a week or two, I think you're safe to go. This is so cute. Look at the happy face. Can I use this as my thumbnail? I don't think it was meant for like that. So if you really open the box, apart from this happy face, you can see a cover box saying accessory and manual. Also, So there are two types of earbuds. As you can see, there are like a lot of sets of earbuds. Like they are plastics like this ones. Let me show you what the differences are. So one of them is just a very normal common earbud, and one of them, which I've never seen before, is 2 layers of them, and I was super curious what it does. I don't know the names because this is not my concern, and I just need to know why there are 2 types of things. So I have been using this for a few days, and I tested out the 2 different earbuds plastics, and apparently the one with the common one is the one that helps get rid of all the noises around you. With 2 layers of earbuds, while you can hear things around you, it makes it closer to what AirPod does, because AirPod, if you know, is just a plastic. So I'm going to bring you guys to the area with most amount of people, most amount of buildings, most amount of Wi-Fi, and yeah, let's just go. How many interference is there in this place, but considering the amount of people, if only 1% of 0.1% of people are using Bluetooth, there's a hell lot of signal going around. So now I am in the building in Bangkok that has most amount of people, most amount of shops, and this place was originally for games and stuff, and I'm playing more songs with me. I can't hear anyone talking around me. Can you guys hear it? I'm not sure if it works. So it really depends on your usage. If you want to use it and still hear what people are talking next to you, which I prefer, because when I go out, I don't want it to be super isolated by everything. Like at least I want to hear people saying things around me, saying like, oh, be careful, be aware about surroundings. But if you are just using it for your leisure, like if you're in a holiday, the normal one is a go-go. And of course, at the back of the box there's a menu. This is the best thing of buying digital devices. You always want to read the manual. The manual is pretty straightforward, telling you how to do the pairing, what components you have inside. And one thing you want to know is how to read the indicator of the charging port, so you know how many batteries is left. There's a table of functions telling you how many times you press the earbud, what it does. And my only concern is how to stop playing the music. So you only press the earbud once. So how do you charge this thing? It uses a micro USB, and pretty much that's it. You don't even need to know how it works. I've just realized that I've never mentioned how to charge the earbuds. Basically, you just put them into the pot. That's it. If I can do it, you can do it. I think I have got this earbuds pretty much covered up. If you're into this and you want to know more details about this earbuds, sorry, this is a sponsored video and I can't speak the product name properly. I'm gonna get sued. If you're looking for more specific details about this earbud, and if you happen to know Cantonese, you can go to my friend's channel, vivasound.com, and the host Yan. He is super professional and detailed on this product, and I think things are on the back of the box anyway. So if you go to Gig Audio's website, pretty much the information is out, and you guys probably know more than me, because I only care is how good it is, how much battery life, and if the price is reasonable. I really enjoy making these type of videos because I am a person that doesn't really love to spend a lot of money on devices, but when I do, like this mic bump on for my Blue Yeti, this arm stand is freaking expensive, but if I find it good, I will spend no matter money on it. That's why I'm always poor. Like, I don't really buy stuff, but when I buy it, it's good and it's usually not cheap. To make this happen, I just really have to thank you, all of you who have been watching until this point of the video, you guys have been super patient and I appreciate that. And I really hope I can do more videos like this for you guys. So if you happen to enjoy this video, put a like. If you don't, put a dislike. Just leave something. I would rather you leave something before you go instead of do nothing. And of course, there's the subscribe button on the comment section. Just feel free to tell me how you feel like this. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.